That dew point lower in the teens, so the humidity at only 22%. Temperature milder at 52 degrees right now. And across the area, all in the 50s. The cool is out towards Shawnee at 50 degrees, 53 in Liberty, and 51 degrees in Lee's Summit. So milder than you'd expect. And this evening we'll drop back to the 40s and stay in the 40s for a while. Mostly clear skies, as you see. As we go about 9 o'clock or so, right at 40, and by 10 o'clock, right at 38 degrees, and continuing to cool down, but not quite as cold as it was this morning. We started close to freezing with the winds turning around to the south and southwest. Eventually, I think we are not going to have a chance to fall down that much, but still down to the 30s, upper 30s, mid 30s for some. Shawnee 39, looking toward Liberty again, 38 degrees. 38 will start it off in Independence, 37 degrees in Blue Springs, and out toward DeSoto, 36, with the winds starting off light out of the southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour, but keep notice of the wind direction. That's going to be the key to the forecast as things will start to warm up heading into tomorrow. Quick check around the entire metro. Almost upper 60s to near 70 degrees. We will top 70 on both sides of the state line, I think, before the 7-day is done. Raytown, Lee's Summit, all at 68 degrees for a high. Up north, really keeping pace. 66 for Smithville as well as Parkville. Liberty the same. Mostly sunny skies, very few clouds, if any at all. And even out over the western portion of the metro, 68 KCK, 68 also toward Tonganoxie. Here's the big picture. Most areas still with that southerly to southwest wind flow into the 60s, almost near 70 degrees, touching on it. That's part of the issue, though, because it is so warm and it is so dry. That's part of the problem that we're going to see out there. So there is a high fire danger. Those highs, as we just talked about, 60s and 70s. We'll talk about how long we stay there in just 1 minute with Neville. Look at the wind gusts, up to 35 miles per hour. That's not going to take much to fan a flame if one is going. And the dry air, you saw that low humidity, lack of rain, not telling you anything new there. That's the combination, which is why we still have that fire danger, at least for Thursday and Friday. Any fires can spread from one rooftop to another quickly. Any firefighter will tell you that, or spread across a open field pretty rapidly too, which is why you should properly dispose of cigarettes, please, and then caution when grilling and mowing. I know the temptation is going to be there because it is so warm, but it is going to be windy, so you're going to have to guard the grill and make sure that you keep it covered as opposed to a flick or an ember going over from the grill to somewhere else. So the question is, how long do we stay mild? Neville's been looking into that.
Hey, Brian, we're really not seeing any of that cold air making its way down our direction anytime soon. Looking at our temperatures for tomorrow, we've got 60s for our Thursday, 70s off to our west across western parts of Kansas and Oklahoma. Those 70s, they're going to be heading our way as we head into Friday. And typical highs this time of year, we should be talking about lower 40s. So we could be close to 30 degrees above average as we head into our Friday. Next 5 days, we'll see a high of 68 degrees tomorrow, 70 degrees on Friday. As we head into the weekend, upper 60s to near 70 degrees. Great weather to be outside to enjoy it, but like we've been talking about, we do need some rain. And Brian, I know you've got some good news and that next chance of rain on the way.
Yeah, we've been looking at the data together, and it won't happen over the weekend. It'll happen early next week. And a farmer tweeted me by saying, you know, this is not good news for the farmers, and you're absolutely right. Here's the warming trend that Neville was talking about, and Nick was talking about this morning on First News. 30s and 40s in the morning, afternoon highs close to 70 degrees. And as mentioned, here's that chance of rain. Right now, about a 30% chance both Monday and Tuesday. Thunderstorms on Monday, rain showers on Tuesday, and the temperatures don't really buck below normal anytime soon. And it really doesn't look like we have a good chance or opportunity for snow anytime soon either. This could be one of the driest, if not a month that's never had snow in February since records have been kept in Kansas City. It only happened twice.